before we fire this thing up for the first time. Nice.
Badass.
Can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like.
Me neither.
Slide this guy into place. Our Hanger 24 alcohol sanitizer here. Anyway, I'm Bradshaw. Thank you guys for tuning in. Patreons, thank you for your support. Yoshimura, thank you for making amazing exhaust pipes. Hanger 24, thanks for making amazing beer. Honda, thank you for making an amazing adventure motorcycle. I'm Bradshaw. This here is Josh. Till next time, take care and ride safe.